In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, but this time to tap on Device Unlock. And from it, select Face section, available under Fingerprint. Now, click. Now enter your screen lock and scroll all the way down until you see I agree at the bottom right corner. Select Start again, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on this switcher next to Skip Lock Screen to enable or disable this option, and once you're ready, select Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!